Hello. As you can tell, I have a head cold. So I'm going to try just doing the vibrator. See if it can make me sneeze. Read somewhere it makes you sneeze. Almost. I don't think it's going to work. And I think it's breaking up while it's not. I have to use one of these. They'll say, making my nose numb. I can't sneeze with my mouth shut.
Try.
It hurts. Do what? I have a goobie. Oh, God. I hope you're catching it. I hope you can see it. Yeah. You might have to hose all this down afterwards.
Ew. There you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Ew! Ew!
Snotted on my leather couch.
Ew! It's all over my nice lace outfit. Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Ah, are you getting this?
It's not really dark. It's really clear.
Yeah. Want me to face this way?
You're too high. I'll be able to see it. I need to see it coming out of your nose, hanging down your face.
It's like it gets stuck. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there goes my lipstick. It's on my fingers, my belly. Oh God. Just do it now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.